This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hard refresh a web page in the Microsoft Edge web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser. I have the Edge web browser opened up now. To hard refresh a web page in the Edge browser, what hard refreshing does, it clears out your browser's cache for a specific web page, and it will load that web page directly from the server. The way to do that in Edge, if you're using a Windows or a Linux machine, there's a couple different ways you can do it. One way is to hold down the Control key and press the F5 key. That will hard refresh the web page. Another way to do it is to hold down the Control key, the Shift key, and hold down the letter R at the same time. That will hard refresh the web page. If you're using a Mac, it's Command Shift R. That is how to hard refresh a web page in the Edge web browser. Thanks for watching.